Hi everyone, I'm Elvin in Class 1C. Today I'm going to show you my space adventure game. Before that, we need a bottle lid, a pin, rubber bands, foil paper, popsicle sticks, tissue paper rolls, cardboards, a paper box, scissors, double-sided tape, and color markers. Let's start the game now! First, take a ball, then put it in the bottle lid. Then, pull down the kettle and then release it as a meteor. Look, the meteor becomes a shooting star. The bigger the planet you go, the more points you will get. The more planets you go, the more points you will get. Finally, the one who got the most points will be the winner. Wow, it's so fun and exciting. I hope you all like it. Thank you.